Ever thought about how much we could save by just changing the lights we use? Let's zero in on the powerhouse of savings and sustainability. LED lighting. It's not just about lighting up spaces anymore, it's about doing it smarter, with less energy, more savings, and many more benefits of LED lighting. Alright, let's talk about energy efficiency with LED lighting. Picture this. You're using way less electricity to light up your space. This is huge because it means your electricity bills shrink, and who doesn't love saving money? Plus, there's the bonus of helping the planet by using less energy. It's a win-win situation. You get to keep your space bright and cheerful while also doing a solid for the environment. So let's dive into the long life and low maintenance of LED luminaires. Imagine installing a light bulb and not worrying about changing it for years. That's the reality with LEDs. These fixtures are like the marathon runners of the lighting world, lasting way longer than traditional bulbs. This means less hassle for you, no climbing up ladders to replace bulbs or lamps every few months. Especially in a business setting, this is a game changer. You save time, effort, and money. It's like setting it and forgetting it, but for lighting. Alright, let's chat about how LED lights can be pretty much magic. Think about it like your TV remote. You press a button and boom, you've got the perfect volume. Now with dimmable LED fixtures, you press another button and you got the perfect lighting. Want to go softer for a movie night? Easy. Need it bright for reading? No problem. And it gets cooler. When you add controls, these fixtures can tell when someone walks into a room and illuminate up just when needed. Plus with photocells, they can adjust on their own when there's sunlight spilling in, so you're not using more energy than you need. It's not just about saving a few bucks on your energy bill, it's about making your space smarter and your life simpler. You get the right light at the right time effortlessly. Let's get into how LED lighting is a friend to our environment. Switching to LEDs is like choosing the eco-friendly route every time you flip the switch. They munch on way less electricity, which means less strain on our planet's resources. Every time you opt for LEDs, you're not just cutting down on your energy bill, you're also taking a stand for a healthier Earth. It's a simple switch with a big impact, helping to keep our planet green and clean for future generations. Now let's chat about the cost savings over time with LED lighting. Here's the deal. LED lighting's upfront costs have come down significantly over the years, and they're a smart investment. Think of it like buying a quality pair of shoes that last for years instead of replacing cheap ones every few months. LEDs use less energy, so your utility bills take a dive. And since they last so long, you're not constantly spending money on replacements. Over time, the savings add up big time. It's like putting money back in your pocket. For businesses, this means lower operating costs and more budget for the things that really matter.